Hey guys, I will show you how to fix games not starting on a PS5. In the first step, select the settings and then choose the users and accounts. Select other options and choose restore licenses and select restore. This will gonna take around 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process. It's a really important step to fix this issue. Once done, just go down to save data and game app settings. Select the game presets on the right side. Choose the performance mode from here. And once done, now simply we need to select the captures and broadcasts. From the captures we need to disable auto upload option and then go down to trophies and again select none for the saved trophy screenshots and same for the saved trophy videos. After that, just go back and simply select the system and choose the system software. On the right side, select the system software update and settings. Update the system software using the internet, complete the process, restart your PS5 and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys, you're good to go.